Hello there. What do you do when you have a watermelon, a ripe mango, a lime, and drink paraphernalia? Paraphernalia. You decide how to say it. Anyways, you got a martini shaker, so you got to make a martini. So we are going to do just that. Let's go ahead and take a muddling glass because we love to muddle here. We are going to take a nice, beautiful, juicy piece of watermelon out of this fresh watermelon I just got at the store yesterday. Look at that. I want to eat that whole thing. All right, you can break it up into pieces. And when you have a beautiful piece like this, it's for the chef. Oh my God. Wow. You know what? I'm going to cheat. One more piece for me. All right. That's our watermelon. There's our mango. Nice big piece of ripe mango. And then we need some lime. But we don't want to get any lime seeds in. And you don't want to overdo your lime. Just enough to get that flavor, or it can get a little bit overpowering. Melatonin, 3 milligrams. In the cup. Chamomile tea, here we go. We got our muddling stick. I was asking in one of the other videos for people to comment, give us a name for the muddling stick. It's just too common to call it a muddling stick, so what would you name it? Drop it in the comments below. Let us know. Maybe we'll use your name. Maybe you'll be famous. Maybe you'll win the lottery. But I know you'll sleep better. That's for sure. Okay. Nice and muddled. Ice. Got it in there. Strainer. I don't know what hand. We'll use this hand. Pour that all into our martini shaker because we got to make it all nice and cold. Actually, it makes it a lot more than cold. It makes it cold. Okay. Put that aside. Put our top on. And shake. Shake, 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 shake. Martini glass. Want to see what comes out? Watch. Here it comes. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And for the taste test. Heavy on the watermelon. A hint of mango. Just a little bit of that lime in the background that just kind of fills out the flavor a little bit. So, watermelon, mango, lime, chamomile tea, melatonin, off to sleep. See how simple this is? If you want to learn how to sleep better, join us on Sleep Science today. We got so much information from you. We talked to literally the leading experts in the world on sleep. These are the people that do the studies. These are the people that come up with the ways to help people improve their sleep. These are the real deal. And we got them all here on Sleep Science today. So join us. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you tell your friends and give us a comment. We truly want to hear. Thanks for visiting. We'll see you on another episode of Sleep Science Today.